Hey guys, we received this tall printer stand with storage, adjustable shelf and bag for test and try. So as you can see, comes with a whole manual, how to install and the things. So this is basically a printer or a long device or the appliance holder. So this is of wood, 4-tier large printer table with a charging station for home office or any other use. You can also put other stuff in it. It depends on you. So everything is marked on the different things in here, and it is easy to install as well. So let me just take out everything and show it to you. So the screws and everything is marked. All these things are marked. Then you can see all these numbers in here and use the appropriate screws in here. The tools are provided. So use the tools and then adjust the screws with the number wood stuff. So the total height is around 44.5 inches when it's built, and the width is around 20.9 inches with the side one is 15.7. So it also comes with the side bucket to hold in your documents and any other things, and hold a lot of stuff. So this is the side one to hold in your stuff, charging port that can put in your you can put in your electric switches. So this is how this looks when it's total made up of. And you can also, of course, store your printer in here, but I don't have that big printer to show right now. But you can also put in the electric switch, but you can see the height in here. So the USB, electric plus, and everything you can put for using. You can also use it for charging. And this is the whole length. That looks really good. Solid quality. You can also put in the wheels if you want to, but I like it stable. So there are like the different things that you can do. You can also adjust the different shelf. This is the big amplifier that I put it in the bottom just to show how heavy it can take. So overall, a nice printer stand.